In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use XLR mic on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To use an XLR microphone on an Xbox console, you will need additional equipment because the console won't have a direct XLR input, so you can't simply connect the microphone to the console directly. First, I'm going to give you a breakdown of everything that you will need. So the main thing is going to be an audio interface or a mixer. An audio interface or a mixer will allow you to establish a connection between the microphone and the Xbox console. There are a lot of audio interfaces available. As you can see for this example, I chose one from Focusrite, but you can use any audio interface as long as it has an XLR input. So all that you have to do is plug the XLR microphone directly into the audio interface. Of course, for this, you will be using an XLR cable. Once the connection has been established between the microphone and the audio interface, we are now able to redirect the audio interface to the console. The main way to do this is going to be through the 3.5mm port on the controller. So after this is done and you connect the XLR microphone to the XLR input of the audio interface or the mixer, you connect the audio interface or mixer to your Xbox controller's headset jack. You can use a 3.5mm TRRS cable. And once you establish a connection between the audio interface or mixer, the microphone, and then the Xbox console, you will be good to go. You can use additional equipment as well to have more control over the microphone, but this should be enough for most people. So I recommend using an audio interface or a mixer and connecting it to the controller directly. You can try using different adapters, but this option is going to make sure that the quality of the microphone remains the same and that you get the most use out of it on your Xbox console. I hope I was able to help you on how to use XLR mic on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.